Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'm walking you through how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit, your key to locking down your account with two-factor authentication. It's quick, it's secure, and it's a must for any trader. Let's jump right in. Of course guys, firstly grab your phone and download the Google Authenticator app. It's free on the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. This app generates time-sensitive codes to keep your Bybit account safe. Once it's installed, open the Bybit app or website and log in with your email or your phone number. Ready? Let's move. Okay guys, so let us begin. In Bybit, tap the profile icon, top left on the app or top right on the website, then hit Security. Find Google Authentication and slide that switch to the right or click Settings if you're on desktop. You'll get a verification code sent to you by email or SMS. Enter that code and Bybit will show you a QR code and a secret key. Do not lose that key, write it down somewhere safe. After that, open Google Authenticator, tap the plus icon and pick Scan QR code. Point your camera at the Bybit QR code or enter the secret key manually if you prefer. Name it something like Bybit your email, hit add, and boom, a 6-digit code pops up. That's your ticket. Back in Bybit, type in that code and hit confirm. You're almost there. And that's it. Google Authenticator is set up on Bybit. Now every login or withdrawal needs an extra code, keeping your funds locked tight. Guys, love this? Smash that like, subscribe and drop a comment if you've got questions. See you the next one. Stay secure and trade smart.